All right, so I'm going to show you how we can create views in Aspect using views from other sites. So actually in this example, we're just going to use Stripe's login view, and we're just going to copy over that code using Aspect's Chrome extension. So Aspect has a Chrome extension that just lets you sample code from anywhere. All we do is paste it in, and there you have it. So now let's actually make this view a little more malleable by adding some properties. So title. So instead of, signing to your account, you could have create account or sign in an existing user. So if we just map it to the title variable, whatever we pass in as the title variable will actually appear there. And for good measure, let's also just make a call to action. So we'll map this. And so whatever we pass in for the call to action will appear there in that button. Okay, that's good enough for now. Let's just call this something. Let's call it login form. Okay, and we're actually going to use this. All right, so Aspect has a CLI that lets us call down the components that we've created visually, and we can just start using them within our code. So let's do that. Okay, components fetched. Let's get started. Login form, there it is. Okay, so we're actually in localhost. So right now there's nothing here. So let's actually save this view and see what happens. There it is. So we have our login form from Stripe. But as you can tell, we haven't passed in those variables that we set up earlier. So let's actually do that. So title, let's say create account. Create account, and let's do the call to action as well. Let's say site. So yeah, there we go. Depending on the state that we actually pass into this view, we can give this more flexibility. So, we can have a state where you have a list of views and all kinds of other stuff, or, you can actually just handle the part of the logic of validating the sign up. Yeah, so you can either choose to do that on the business logic side within the code, or you can do a lot of that within Aspect. All right.